Hello guys, welcome once again to my amazing YouTube channel where I share with you quality content regarding how to trade the financial markets, or also making sure that your forex trading journey is actually profitable and you are realizing profit. So I just wanted to share with you in this particular video the secrets, should I say the secrets, the codes that they used to code crash the crash and bombs, the codes that they used to code the crash and booms, or the algorithm that they use to move price when it comes to crash and booms. I'll also do for volatility indexes, depending on your response, guys. If ever your response is positive, I will do as much as possible. I will do for crash 500, crash 300, crash 1000, boom 500, boom. So I'll do all the crash and booms and all the volatility indexes as well. So it all goes to your response. Are you willing to know these secrets? What the deriv guys they know that you don't know? So crash 500, simple stuff. It's not as simple as it is, but it's something that is actually achievable. I'll just look from here. I won't do a back test. I won't do a back test today, for the sake of time. So first thing here, we broke structure here, right? After we break structure here, so guys, as I'm going on with the video, make sure you've liked the video, because this is serious information that I'm sharing with you guys, right? So it's this, it's a lot of stuff combined in one thing. So breakup structure there, I had my major lower high as this one, major lower low is this one, right? So the market went on lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower high here, lower low, I mean here. We can say as well lower high here. So yeah, this is where the market is. I'm simply waiting for a shift here. A shift, what is a shift? Either it comes back down to this low, give us a double bottom, break this lower high. Once we break that lower high, we're now going up. We're now going up, 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 we're now going up. So now, just to look deeper, just to look deeper into everything. So that is my major level there at the top, major level there, major swing high here. So I'm expecting crash 500 to go up. That level is my final TP if ever it's going up. Final TP there, that's my major swing high, right? Major swing high there, that's will be my final level once I have the shift here at the bottom here, right? So other levels in between, you use your normal support and resistance, supply and demand, you use your order blocks, your value gaps, whatever, blah 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 blah. All of that information is actually part of my mentorship class. If ever you want to be part of my mentorship and actually get to know how this strategy works, feel free to contact me via WhatsApp. There's a number that is there in the description below. Contact me via WhatsApp. I will share with you all these secrets. I will share with you all the secrets. So currently, people are rushing all the way to buy crash 500. Wait, patiently wait, relax and wait. Why? Relax and wait, because right now this is what I'm looking forward to, right? We are in this downward channel, but I'm now expecting a push, a shift to the upside. But let's see now, let's look deeper now. So this is where we are mostly interested in. Once we break here, where is your next target? Your next target, you look forward to these other zones. Let me just mark them. I'll be looking forward to this first level there, second level there. So those are my targets. After it breaks and gives me the shifts that I want, those are some of the targets that I'm going to use. So even the trades, I'm also going to be sharing with you guys live here on Instagram. I'm also going to be sharing with you the trades as well, live here on Instagram. um, some of the trades as well that I would have taken based on this information that I'm giving you. So these are the codes, guys. This is how they have programmed their system. This is how they have programmed their system. The deriv guys, I think they don't even want me to be sharing what I'm sharing with you now. They don't even want to see me sharing this. This is serious information. So right now, what is currently happening, we are in this downward channel. Okay, someone can say that they are correct, they are not wrong. We are in this downward channel. All right. Right, downward channel. Okay, being in this downward channel, what must we get in order for us to enter? We must get a break outside of that downward channel. Okay, that's good. Let's look deeper. 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 Where is my previous so let me just mark my structure. This was the previous lower low, lower high. This is internal market structure. We broke the established this low, established this lower high, lower low here. Right, so now we are still yet to break this what this lower high. If we break that one, that's a change of character, and we're now going to the upside, to the levels. The levels that I marked are the levels that we'll be targeting our buys to reach before maybe it drops, because so long it doesn't break that swing high at the top, the market is still overally, it would still be a bullish market. So this zone here, very significant zone. I can even delete my trend lines like this. I don't need this. So here we are, here we are, here we are, here we are. This swing high here, immediate swing high, immediate swing high. This is my immediate swing high. This one, once it's broken, once it's broken there, let me just label it swing high like this. Swing high there. Where is my swing low? It's this one. Right, swing high, swing low. Where is the current market? Current market structure is still bearish. It hasn't shifted to be bullish. Once it shifts to be bullish, I'll tell you. Let's see. Let's go to lower time frames and see. Has it shifted anything? Has it shifted anything? If it has, I'll actually show you some of the entry points. So swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low. Right, this is all you need, guys. This is all you need. Once you have access to these codes, once you have access to these codes, you are gone. Crash and boom will just be, you will just be riding and making money each and every single day. So let's go deeper. Let's go deeper now. Let's go deeper. Right, let's go deeper. Let's go deeper. Let's go deeper, papa. Right, this is my thing. Right, so all I now want, all I now want to see, in order for us to be confirmed that we are now pushing to the upside, I have to see this break here. Once we break there, obviously I get a retracement. We enter, we hold first targets. Those daily levels that I showed you, those will be the levels that we'll be using to enter to or the targets for the buys that we're going to be entering. So as well as things like you can also follow market structure. Following market structure is also a strategy that I teach in my private mentorship class, whereby you can actually realize and harness the maximum profits of every single move that will be happening on the market. So this is what is happening. Swing low, swing high. Okay, in between here, this is just fluctuation, unnecessary noise, unnecessary noise, unnecessary noise that is currently happening there, unnecessary noise that is happening in between. And many people, they are caught up in the noise because of impatience. Many people, they are caught up in the noise. I'll show you why I'm saying it's unnecessary noise there. You realize that it's actually, the market will actually be trying to decide decide, make a decision. Must we go up or must we go down? And remember, before they go up or down, they must take retail traders out. They must take retail traders out. How do they take retail traders out? By taking out their money. By taking out their money. How do they take out their money? They look for levels where retail traders, they are mostly buying or mostly selling. Right, so here if you check, we have an internal level, tight resistance, tight support, tight resistance, tight support. If you check, this is consolidation, simple consolidation. Right, so this consolidation now, this consolidation, this consolidation, this consolidation now, many people, if you check, this consolidation lasted for 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, almost 2 days, consolidating in one zone, and many people were trying to take trades in this past 2 days. Yet them, the guys, they are actually aware that this past 2 days there was no trade that you would have taken there. It's a consolidation zone. It's a consolidation zone. So it being a consolidation zone, there is no way you can, it doesn't make sense for you to be, trying to take trades inside the consolidation. Rather wait for the break. Once the break happens, then you jump in. So these are actually also my secretive zones, supply, demand. Okay, two important significant zones. Right, so now personally what I'm simply waiting for right now to enter a trade, be it a sell or a buy, I'm waiting for the break outside of that consolidation. If I'm selling, I'll sell to this first zone, first target. Second target is the break of this low, right? Because remember, we are still bearish, lower high, lower low, lower low. After this lower low, we are still yet to we are still yet. So this area here, we can also see that this is a lower high. Why is it a lower high? Because of this internal change of character. It's a lower high. So guys, what I'm sharing with you now, it's serious information, or honestly speaking, it's serious information, serious info. Right, so this now is our lower high, this one, the highest point before the market turned. This was the one, right? Then also lower high. Then here I can actually see something that is, if you check here, it tried to come, never broke here, never broke there. So now, and also this low here, it seems like it's actually a higher low now. It seems like it's actually a higher low because of the shift in internal market structure that I'm seeing right now, right? It seems like it's a higher low, but still yet to be fully confirmed. But this one is actually our lower high. If you check, the market isn't broken. So now all I now want now is this level here, this level here. Most of you, your problem is impatience. Impatience is what is killing you in your trading, because you are not patient enough to wait for the market to break out, if ever, let's say, out of a consolidation and come into your zone of major levels. So that's my swing high there. Once we manage to do this, once we just sweep this high, we are now going up. Just wait for a retracement. Once you get a retracement, we are now going up. Those targets that I showed you on the daily are the targets that I'll be using for the buy that will be happening, for the buys that will be happening. But so far, all right, so far crash 500 is stuck in a consolidation. Once I enter the trade, I'll show you guys. This one can be a beautiful buying opportunity. You can also use your normal trend lines. This is simple basic information. that most of you already right? There's no way I can show you things that and say this thing will help you. What's the purpose of that? So it doesn't make sense to show you what you already know. So it can come down here, pa, then boom, shoot up. Because already this seems like a higher low to me. This thing, in as much as it didn't break here, it didn't break this lower high, but it seems like a higher low. So if it's a higher low now, if it is a higher low, it means already that's a shift. That's a shift. The other shift that we now want is to break this high and establish a higher high. So if you now want to establish a higher high, it means if ever I'm going to buy, I'm going to buy here. If ever I'm going to buy crash 500, this is what I'm going to buy. I'll buy there. Obviously I'll enter on smaller time frames, 30-minute, 15-minute. That's where I get a shorter or a smaller stop loss. Enter there, right? I'm expecting this to be broken, right? I'm expecting that to be broken. This is a daily target I showed you. Daily target I showed you guys. Personally, that's where I will hold up to. But you guys, you can simply look for any other levels of support and resistance in between. So in between here, I'm not buying anything. I will buy here on this one. I will buy here, right? Then if it comes at the top there before coming down, if let's say it does like this, because maybe it will be a double top, something like this. If it breaks to the upside here, right, I can scalp buys. If it breaks to the upside, I can scalp buys into this level here. Why that level? It can want to form a double top. Once a double top, then it drops. Once it drops, comes to this higher low up until we break. So you see, it will actually be a pattern. It's actually a pattern. These are the algorithms that these guys are actually using to trap you guys and to make sure that most of you keep losing and losing and losing and losing. So if ever it's going to go like this, that would be that is going to be very interesting. Why? Upon the break here, if it breaks here on top here, I'm going to get my entry. Obviously 15-minute, 30-minute, I'm going to buy scalp buys. Obviously scalp the buys into this zone. Once we're in this zone, I expect a drop. Or even if it breaks here, right, even if it breaks here, I'll actually be happy. Once it breaks here and drops, to me now, this now would be my new higher high, because it's higher than this one, right? Higher high. Once we have a higher high, we have to establish a higher low. A higher low we can come and establish around these areas, which will actually be a third trend line touch, as well as a very good demand zone there. So my expectation currently, this is my expectation. I'm currently expecting to, if it breaks above, I'll buy first target. If it breaks, it's also fine. But then if it doesn't break, we can actually find ourselves selling here. Once we get ourselves there, we hold all the way to this zone, once we reject on this zone, we actually get our buys, which would be a new higher low. Once that higher low is formed, obviously we come and break and establish a higher high. Bumper, we are all actually going up. So guys, this is my analysis for crash 500, using the codes, using the algorithm that these guys are using to move the price. So I hope you benefited a lot out of this video, and I hope you are going to make money out of this setup as well that I've just shown you guys just now. So guys, make sure you like the video, make sure you comment, make sure as well you join our free Telegram community in the description below. Make sure you also contact me via WhatsApp, give me the feedback via WhatsApp, show me that you're watching, and also show me if ever you're interested in getting my focus mentorship program, whereby I cover retail trading strategies and institutional trading strategies. All the secrets that concern the financial markets, I cover them in that mentorship program. And I also have a $1 million class where we flip accounts. From as little as $50, from as little as $100. You can actually, from as little as even $10, $20. I can actually help you to flip that account. I won't be trading for you. I will be trading my own small account. I will open a small account as well. I have my own small account. Then I analyze with you guys. Once I analyze with you, I will share the trade. I'll share the setup with you. Once I share the setup with you, all I'm doing on my side, all I'm doing is telling us, guys, now it's time to enter, now it's time to attack, and we attack, and they actually tell us now it's time to go aggressive. We go aggressive, everyone goes aggressive, everyone makes money, everyone flips their account, and everyone grows their accounts to thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars. So we also have a $1 million class and a focus mentorship. We also have signals as well. You can contact me via the number that is in the description below if you want any of those services, and also our free Telegram community. You can also feel free to join us. So guys, see you in the next video, as I'll be breaking down other instruments. Boom 500. From Boom 500 I'll move to Crash 300. From Crash 300, Boom 300. From Boom 300, Crash 1000, Crash 1000, Boom 1000. Then I'll go to the volatility indexes. So guys, make sure you like the video. The more you like the video, it actually helps many people to actually see this video, because this information, no mentor of yours will ever share this information with you. There is no mentor that can ever share with you this information that I'm sharing with you now, because most of them are scared that they might actually lose whatever benefits that they might be giving you. So most of them that are doing account management for you, they'll actually realize that you no longer need them to do account management, because since you'll be able to trade on your own. So guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. See you in the next video, guys. See you in the next video.